What is goodwill? If I tell you, friends, a company like Google, if I give you the balance sheet of Google, if I give you the balance sheet of Coke, if I give you the balance sheet of PepsiCo, if I give you the balance sheet of Microsoft, if I give you the balance sheet of Apple, if I give you the balance sheet of so many companies on this earth, you would be shocked to know that all these so well known companies have not a single dollar in their balance sheet on account of goodwill. Does it mean all these very highly reputed companies, the brand names of whose are known to the whole world, do these companies have no goodwill? Of course they have a goodwill. Of course they have a goodwill. If they have a goodwill, then how come this goodwill is not reflecting on the balance sheet of these companies? And please remember, the answer is very simple. The answer is what you show in your balance sheet as an asset is the one for which you have paid. Is the one for which you have paid. You show a land in your balance sheet as an asset because you have paid for it. You show a building in your balance sheet and that is because you have paid for it. You show a plant and machinery in your balance sheet because you have paid for it. You pay inventory in your balance sheet because you have paid for it. But the goodwill that you create with the passage of time by virtue of good quality service, reputation that you create for yourself, remember, all that goodwill that you have created over the years, you have not paid for it. So Coke becoming such a popular name. Coke has not paid for buying that name from someone. And that is the reason all these big companies, remember friends, will not have a single dollar on account of goodwill. But some companies will have, and some companies will have in their balance sheet an amount on account of goodwill. How come these companies are having some amount on account of goodwill? And that is because when these companies go for acquisition, when these companies go for merger, when these companies go for amalgamation, then what happens? And let us understand with the help of an example. XYZ is acquiring a company called ABC Limited. XYZ Limited is acquiring a company called ABC Limited. And why they want to acquire? They want to acquire, the promoters of XYZ want to acquire the company ABC Limited because they feel that ABC Limited has got a good synergy with the operations of XYZ Limited. So what they do, they approach the promoters of ABC Limited and tell the ABC Limited that we would like to buy your company. The promoters of ABC Limited ask the promoters of XYZ Limited, what price are you prepared to pay? So the promoters of XYZ say that we are prepared because we have done the evaluation of your company and we understand the value of your company is $100 million. So we are prepared to pay you $100 million because that is what is the value of your assets. The promoters of ABC Limited tell the promoters of XYZ Limited, sir, if you want me to sell my company to you, I can do so only if you are prepared to pay me $120 million and not $100 million. The promoters of XYZ Limited, they analyze and they come to the understanding that even if we purchase this company for $120 million, the kind of operating benefits that will accrue to us will more than compensate this extra cost of $20 million in next few years. And therefore, the promoters of XYZ Limited agree to pay $120 million to the promoters of ABC Limited for the assets which are otherwise worth $100 million. So now, when this transaction is executed, this transaction is done, how will it be accounted in the books of XYZ Limited? This will be accounted for in the books of XYZ Limited. 100 million dollars will be on account of the assets, and $20 million which are paid over and above the value of the asset, that will be recorded in the books of XYZ Limited as goodwill. As goodwill. So please remember, what is goodwill? Goodwill is nothing but a payment that you make in case of purchase of or acquisition of a company, amount that you pay in excess of value of the asset that you are getting, and that is goodwill. So XYZ when will pay 120 million euros for doing this transaction, they will get the assets, they will record the assets at $100 million, 100 million euros or dollars, as I would have said, and the balance to 20 million dollars or euros, as in the case maybe, they will record as goodwill. So that is the answer to your question, friends, and that is what is goodwill. I hope that answers your query.
Very nice example, sir.
Thank you, Shyam Sundarji. Thank you. Thank you very good. Thank you so much. So, friends, with this, we come to the close of this session. Thank you so much to every one of you. Tomorrow, sharp at 9:30, we start the session, and all of you have this schedule in any case. So please go through it. Please come prepared tomorrow. Having gone through all the materials, I am sure we will have a very useful time together. Thank you so much, and wish you a wonderful evening. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow at 9:30. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And thank you, Dan. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Dan.
See you.
Thank you,
See,
Dan.
Welcome, guys. Well done. Good job.
see you tomorrow. See you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow. Bye bye.
See you
Bye
tomorrow.
bye. Bye bye.